All right, mates, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well this morning. Tuesday morning, we're going to take a look at the Ethereum trade. We got this rolling right now on the Deepcoin exchange. Been covering this exchange a little bit more with a lot of mates in the trading group, given the fact that a couple of the other exchanges have closed down. That's kind of what happens in crypto, especially with a lot of exchanges, overseas exchanges, and a lot of exchanges that aren't regulated, and a lot of exchanges, that just don't carry enough leveraging capital to meet the demands of their customers. So we are on a new exchange here today. Deepcoin. You can also obviously do the exact same thing on Bityard and other Binance and other exchanges. It doesn't really matter where you chart at, but it does matter where you trade at in terms of fees and all of that stuff. We'll cover that a lot in the new leverage course in September for everyone that is interested in learning more about leverage and how you can use leverage to utilize these strategies in up and down, that's bullish and bearish cycles. And you've seen that here in the last week if you follow the channel. Doesn't really, or really the last month. Everyone thinks we're in a bear market and it's a bear market and ooh, the big bear, the big bad bear is going to come get everybody. And you could still make tons of trades in a bear market and be successful if you have the methods and the strategies that work. And that's what our trading group has. And that's why our trading group hasn't waffled about the market conditions of crypto, because a lot of times there is a trade, and then sometimes the best trade is no trade. Remember, you're always trading behavior. So let's look at the behavior of Ethereum, okay? Just in the last 48 hours. What did she do? Well, she broke her daily moving averages, right? And we know that to be the case, okay? We can see it right here. She broke her daily moving averages. Now, if you go back to that particular time frame, okay, look at your upper left-hand corner on this video on the chart, and you'll just see here on Deepcoin, and we use 721, and you can change these easily on right here by going here, clicking in the middle. I want to change this to 7, length 7 for 7-day. And I want to change this to 21. This is the easy way you can do this on any chart on trading that has trading view capability. These are the two that we primarily use. Doesn't mean 5 and 10 doesn't work. 5 and 10 can work for you. But you can see now we're going to go back to that particular period and look at that right there. 7 and 21 were both 1696, 1697. Okay, right on top of one another. So when you get that break of that, that's a significant breakdown, bearish signal, okay, from a trading standpoint. And so what happened was is she's going to break through the 721, and then her next possible support level becomes your next DMA that you're using. So in this particular case, 30 or 55, Ethereum has broken through both of them and is now in the 1575 channel, okay, 1570 channel. Now the question is, does she fall all the way to 1300? Because look at that. If she breaks 1300, mates, she's fallen all the way back down, okay, to like 1100, 1200, and 1100. There's nothing here to hold her up. Just like this gap that's going to get filled right here because of that great rally pump we got. And everybody was ecstatic. Crypto's bouncing back, interest rate number, all that stuff, right? And then, boom, we're going to be right back down to that level. And then we're going to have to fill that gap back down to at least 1480 channel, okay? So we're currently about 90 basis points above that, okay? And so we're going to keep this trade until open. And this is just a 10x trade, mates. It's just a 10x trade. You could use 5x and it would be half of that, right? But we're going to keep this trade open, waiting for this candle to turn green, or for Ethereum to pop back above the next above, for Ethereum to pop back